This is a fantastic dead bug variation, so it's a nice core exercise that I actually first saw from a Cirque du Soleil performer, and it's a pretty good one. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to use a foam roller or something like that, and we're going to get into our sort of a hollowed out position. So my shoulders are off the floor, and basically I'm just crunching in the space between my ribs and my hip. So I'm just squishing that together. What I'm going to do, I'll do it on this side, is I'm going to squish the roller between my knee and my elbow. And the reason for that is it's going to really help connect my sort of upper and lower body on this side. It's going to make me work really hard to maintain a great position. So one leg's going to be up, I'm crunching in. I just lower one leg down as far as I can without opening that space up. So that's an error if you see that happening. And otherwise, I'm trying to squish that foam roller as tight as I can on the other side. So what you're basically going to do is you're going to do one set with the foam roller on your right side. Basically, go till you can't go anymore. You know, a good rule of thumb with these types of ab exercises is go till you're just really feeling your stomach burning and you kind of want to stop, and then try to go another 10 or 20 seconds. Once you do one set on one side, take a nice break, maybe about a minute, and then go back in and repeat it on the opposite side. And this is nice to do for 2 or 3 sets or so. It can be done for a more beginner or intermediate person at the end of a workout. For a more advanced person, it could be done sort of as an activation drill in the warm-up, just to make sure that the core and everything is all fired up and doing what it's supposed to be doing. But either way, it's a really good exercise and a great variation if you are doing dead bugs.